I'll never forget how cold he was. That's what one of the home caregivers who found Dr. William Marshall's body said through tears during her testimony today. Good evening, I'm Lizzie Siles. Prosecutors called 7 witnesses to the stand as they began building their case in Robert Ely's murder trial. Madison Porter joins us in the studio with today's update. Madison.
Lizzie, before we heard from any witnesses, attorneys from both sides gave their opening statements as to what they think the evidence will show. Prosecutors told the jury they will hear and see evidence connecting a white truck, bucket of water, missing art, cell phone, and financial records that piece together their puzzle, all pointing fingers to Robert Ely. While Ely's defense attorney argued the puzzle is still missing pieces and they have the wrong guy. Before the caregivers testified this afternoon, we heard from Dr. William Marshall's son, John. John described his mom and dad, saying his dad is an art collector and had 40 to 50 pieces of art around the house, 7 of which were missing on July 6, 2021. And his mom had a couple of medical conditions that made her nonverbal and unable to move on her own. But when it came to the specifics of the day that he found out his dad was killed, it was hard for John to recall.
I don't specifically recall what all happened after I saw my father. I remember that, I went and checked on my mother, but I don't have a specific memory of everything that happened after that. 3 years have gone by, and I was probably in some state of shock, honestly.
Another key piece of evidence presented today was security video from the front of Dr. Marshall's neighborhood the day before he was found dead. A Peoria police detective testified that truck entered the neighborhood around 11 in the morning and was seen leaving just an hour and a half later. And in that truck, when zoomed in, is one of the missing pieces of artwork taken from Dr. Marshall's home. Jurors were also shown police body camera video, autopsy photos, and pictures of the basement where Dr. Marshall's body was found. If you want to learn more about the case, go to our website, 25newsnow.com.